All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of the Nebraska triple sign jersey that we had just opened. This is between 0 and 7, which is Dylan and Josh. So we'll check the time, July 15th at 7:27 p.m. We're going to go over to the break and type live. We have July 15th at 7:28 p.m. Again, 7:28 p.m. And again, we have Dylan and Josh, and whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. 5 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Josh is our winner. So, Josh, you get the Nebraska jersey. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, July 15th. 7:28 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.